All right, so we just downloaded some free synth plugins. So I'm just going to try them all out. I'm going to see what's good, what's not good. Just kind of come up with some like textures and then make some like loops on top of them. All right, so it's called Dext. So I'm going to layer it with something. This is the next synth. It's called Exact. This is the light version. It's by Sonic Bits. This is another free plugin. So we're going to go back to Dext. Something like that. Now the fun part, we've kind of like shaped it, and now it's just time to like basically just destroy this sample. You know, you do all these like kind of intricate things, but I kind of feel like it does add to the quality of the texture if you're like willing to go the extra mile to like really tweak stuff. Now we've got our texture. Just going to keep going with it and try and make some type of melody. So this is a free one. It's like just piano sounds, but they're just like layered with some nice textures. Don't let the preset names kind of scare you off. I just put that one in there for a little bit of effect. Just a really nice texture. I have to freeze some MIDI because my laptop is just not coping with this processing. Alright, so I just got an idea for that. Just going with a ping pong delay, and I want it to be like kind of large and like really wide. Just like that. That's why I love this plugin. Definitely recommend this one. It's called Tyrell N6.